believe a video pro didn't film this video. This was made by AI. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how you can use this insane tech to create videos that literally make people stop scrolling in their tracks. Okay, first things first, Google just unlocked Veo 2 for Gemini Advanced subscribers. Just head over to gemini.google.com. Check that modal drop down in the corner. If you see Veo, click it and boom, you're in. If you don't see it yet, hang tight. Google is rolling it out. Right now, the Gemini Advanced subscribers is the only way in. All right, enough talk. Let's make something. Gemini Veo takes text prompts and turns it into these short cinematic clips. So for example, I entered a simple text prompt about a woman in a car looking shocked. And check this out. I mean, this is pretty impressive. Look at the lighting. The subtle camera shake, that facial expression. For AI, just reading text? That's pretty incredible, right? But what happens when we give it something really complex? I wanted to really push it. This time, I described a detailed futuristic scene with specific actions. Of course, this longer text prompt took a bit longer to cook up, but just watch this. Oh boy, this is insane, right? The reflections, the mechanical movements, the atmosphere, all generated from just words. Let me know in the comments, what would you ask Veo to create first? You can stitch clips together, add your own sound. The possibilities are already huge, especially for grabbing attention fast. So, Google Veo AI turns text into cool video, available now on Gemini Advanced. Veo, Google's new Gemini video generator, is a seriously cool tool that's making video creation super easy. It's powered by some pretty impressive tech, letting anyone from individuals to big companies whip up engaging videos that really connect with viewers. Basically, Veo's changing the whole game for making videos. It's perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to experiment with the future of video without needing a film crew. Want to get started making your own mind-blowing AI videos? I put together a free, quick start guide with prompt ideas and tips. Just comment VEO down below right now, and I'll send it straight to you. Seriously, go try this out. And make sure you like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe, because I'm diving deeper into more advanced AI video tools and tricks very soon. Thanks for watching and happy creating.